Okay, here's the English translation of the revised article. Is foreign language learning still necessary in the AI era? With the rapid advancement of technology, the capabilities of artificial intelligence are becoming increasingly powerful. In the early days, Google Translate threatened Fan Lin's aspiration of becoming a translator. Nowadays, with the application of AI technology on smartphones, such as Dubao and DeepSeek, people can translate conversations and articles anytime, anywhere. Consequently, many students, especially those who lack interest in foreign languages, have begun to question the necessity of diligently studying foreign languages. Indeed, with AI assistants like Xiao Ai, it seems we no longer need to memorize vocabulary and grammar by rote. Moreover, in large language models, Chinese can sometimes be more efficient than English. For example, DeepSeek, developed with less funding than ChatGPT, has achieved results that are comparable to and, in some aspects, surpass those of English AI. However, although foreign language learning might seem less important for the average person, the situation is quite different for those who seek a deeper level of understanding. For instance, an AI might struggle to accurately translate a phrase like special individuals, erban ren. There's a Chinese idiom, scratching an itch from outside one's boot, geshui sao yang, which means that trying to solve a problem indirectly is ineffective. Similarly, communication through translation often loses many subtle nuances, especially in humor and implicit double entendres. For example, at the Laozi Academy, Fan Lin often says, "Laozi is the dean. Laozi shi yuan chang." This sentence conveys both arrogance and modesty. In English, Fan Lin created a sentence. After the fall of the Babel Tower, the Pentecostal Church is the only place where we can speak in tongues. In this sentence, speak in tongues is a pun. Furthermore, due to the ideographic nature of Chinese, there are many poems created based on the shapes of Chinese characters. For example, this wood becomes firewood, mountains beyond mountains emerge, Qi mu wei chai, shan shan chu, and because of fire, smoke billows out evening after evening, yin huo cheng yan shi shi duo. Also, in an online forum dedicated to couplets, Fan Lin responded to a challenge with the following. The forum master presented, "The silkworm is the worm of the world, Tianwei Tian Xia Chong," and Fan Lin replied, "To come out is to have mountain upon mountain, Shu Shi Shan Shang Shan." These things are untranslatable and inexpressible in English, because English is a phonetic language. You might say that these examples are like the 4 ways to write the character for Huan in Huanghegeji, Hui Xiangdu, as described by Kong Yiji, and are therefore trivial and unworthy of mention. Very well, let me then point out some important uses of foreign language learning. For example, recently during a joint military exercise between China and Russia, both sides engaged in several rounds of electronic warfare. Chinese military personnel, having studied Russian, successfully cracked the opponent's information system. Conversely, the Russian side, despite having AI assistance, was unable to crack the Chinese system because it used the Chinese language. Therefore, when you immigrate to another country, even with the help of AI, which can help you understand everyday conversations, it is still worthwhile to learn the local language despite the difficulty. Some itches, like 7-year itch, cannot be reached through a boot, don't you agree?